Good morning. Hold on. Let's see. How we doing today? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Let me make sure. Yeah, okay. My mic is working. Perfect. Awesome. Let's do this. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. Live on YouTube. Boom. So, Kanye West got his deal terminated with Adidas. Kanye is going Kanye crazy. Anyways, hold on. Just getting a couple more things set up and then we are good to go. Lost money. What'd you trade yesterday? You did awesome. Good. Made a whopping $8. Green is green. I made lunch money myself yesterday, but hey, that's part of trading. Had a fat day on Friday, so I'm not too pressed about it. Took one SPY trade, ended up cutting it pretty quick, and then we took the overall bounce that I was waiting for based off of the fibs yesterday. So that was a nice little scalp to the upside. Got stopped out the rest on break even. But yeah, let's see if we can find some dope setups today. I know we had some earnings get reported earlier. And then let's see, economic calendar as always. Let me pull that up real quick. Economic calendar. We have home price index at 9 o'clock. U.S. home price index 9 o'clock. And consumer confidence at 10. So we really want to pay attention to all three of those. Those are going to be super important. But real quick, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 81 of you in here and only 20 likes. Remember, keep clicking that like button, running up to 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list today. Made some lunch money. All right. Let's see. Got stopped out of Abivi before the move. Were you using a super tight stop loss? How'd you get stopped out on Friday on Abivi? It went straight up. Yikes. Anyways. All right, let's see what we got on the weekly watch list. Tesla pretty much bounced off that $200 level that we were watching yesterday. So we're going to look at Tesla here in a minute. AMD still consolidating. Might actually try to snag a swing on this. Maybe like a butterfly for the end of the week. What's happening? What's popping? Let's see. We want the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. All right. Very top of the list. Tesla. Yeah, if you're swinging, I don't know what your stop loss was, but with swings, you got to give yourself like 50%. That Tesla squeeze looking like it possibly wants to fire down. Let's see. Remove that. So Tesla interested below 208, maybe calls above like 211.8 to get up to yesterday's high, but ideally this squeeze is looking like it wants to fire down. But we did bounce off of that 200, so we do want to watch both ways on this. Tesla is definitely on the list today. SPY. For the ones that are just tuning in, tell me how your day went yesterday. Make money, lose money, take no trades. Let me know in the chat. But it kind of looks like SPY's trying to do a little 1 hour head and shoulders, but it's in a daily inverse head and shoulders. And let's see, did not quite close above that that neckline. So we want to be careful with that. Let's see if we can find some fibs. That low to that high, that low to that high. Do we have confluence? Yes, we do at 275.86. So I'm going to be watching that area for a possible bounce if we pull down there. Let's see, take that one off. Boom. So nice little confluence, 275.75 to 275.85. Going to be looking for a bounce on SPY. Or if we get the news, the home price index, and we just break above 380, I'll be interested in that. But I like that 1 hour squeeze. We'll definitely be paying attention to that. Again, make sure you guys clicking that like button. We got 150 people in here, 62 likes. Let's see, QQQ. Chart looks like a disaster. Hold on. Man, that 272, I was really watching that 272 for a bounce yesterday because we had confluence, we had that 272 support, plus we had that 50% retracement sitting right there. Literally came right down to it and just rocket shipped up and completely missed it. Anyways, so same thing, 1 hour squeeze. Let's see. Let's take some fibs. Let's try yesterday's low. Yesterday low to high. And then the previous low to high. Do we have confluence? 272 again. But not really interested. Maybe a bounce at like 274.81 or a break above yesterday's high. That 279.43 1 hour squeeze could fire up. So as always, we will be watching Spying QQQ. Good morning. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. Hopefully everybody got their workout in and you guys are ready to print today. Good morning. Let's see. Apple right up to that 150 level that we talked about on the weekly watch list. I really don't trade Apple too much, so I'm gonna skip right over that. AMD. Honestly, I might try a swing today on AMD. What's it at? It's trading at 58.7. Maybe a debit spread on this. Do like the 60 and 65s. But nothing yet. We're just sitting in that zone. Good morning. Again, make sure you guys clicking that like button. So Amazon. Did it break above that daily trend line? Looks like it may have. All right, so Amazon. I am interested above pre-market highs. This looks very strong. Very strong to the upside. Plus, we have that trend line. So if we break above pre-market highs, it's going to break that trend line. We have a nice move up. Amazon. Boom. Also, feel free to ask any questions whatsoever. I will be answering them. Let's see. Amazon. Let me tell you, though, the Netflix bounce that I gave you guys yesterday absolutely printed. Right off that 284.41 that I gave. If we zoom in, we can see, go to the 5 minute. You can see, came right down to the level, hit it to a penny, and then rocketed from 284.41 up to 288.85. Hopefully some of you guys caught that. I personally did not. But Netflix doesn't look bad for another push. Clear all this. There we go. So I think I'm going to still watch this over the pre-market highs, 285.86. See if we can get a little push. Does not look bad. Well, I think of Google. We'll get to Google in a second. Hold on. But Netflix. Doesn't Google report like tomorrow? Thursday? I don't even know what today is. Still got a bunch of daily squeezes. We actually have a bunch of squeezes in general. We looked at Amazon. Don't care about Boeing. Don't care about Baba, Cost, Google. Also, I had my interview yesterday with Wiley. In case you guys don't know, or just tuning in. I have a book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis. And if any of you guys read trading books, there's like this popular publisher named Wiley Publishing. And they've done like all of the legendary trading books. They publish them. So I had an interview with them yesterday. One of them hit me up when I was in Jamaica. And hold on, I'm trying to multitask. Had the interview yesterday. They're pitching it today to the publishing team. So fingers crossed that it gets published through them. That would be amazing. I'm trying to get the link to the book. Hold on. My internet's like super slow. What is this? Yep, both in the works. One of them's dropping pretty soon. Boom. So if you guys want to check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, there is the link right there. Did it really? There it is. Okay, perfect. Anyways, got 250 people in here. Make sure you guys are clicking that like button. How many likes we got? Remember, we're running up to 150 likes. You guys get the watch list. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Anyways, let's see. Google. Let me tell you though, taking a week off of thank you for the subscribe. Taking a week off of doing videos and live streaming, pretty rough at this right now. I keep messing up. That's why you guys hear me stuttering. Just messing up. Anyways, this Google, it looks good. Nice 1 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze, daily squeeze, breaking above the trend line. Looks like, yes, breaking above that trend line right there. I'd be interested above 103.03. Looks good. Meta. Thank you. I would say if the market tanks, Meta doesn't look bad for puts. So if the market pulls, I'll rotate over to Meta. Microsoft. Would be more interested in a bounce, if anything. Skip over that. Nvidia. Still kind of riding that trend line. Fingers crossed, Jim. I hear back today. Good morning. If Nvidia can get some strength and get above that 126.6. Hold on, let me turn this TV down. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Let's see. But yes, if Nvidia can get some strength, it does have that 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. Thank you guys for the subscribes. I greatly appreciate it. Look for some scalps. And then, did we look at Tesla? Yeah, we did. Okay, so as far as everything I'm liking today, Tesla, SPY, QQQ, Amazon, Netflix, Google, and Nvidia. SPY and QQQ, that's a given. We're just going to be watching that. Trading Uncle's levels as well as the weekly levels that I gave you guys. Anyways, my level of confluence, like I said, I really like around like 375, 75 for a possible bounce. So let's get this out. Tell everybody I'm watching that exact level. SPY. Very interested in a bounce at 375.8. We'll meet it in the middle. Perfect. Where'd everybody go? We just had 250 people and now we only got 146. What is this? Shaking my head. Anyway, SPY, very interested in that squeeze. I really want to see that bounce. QQQ. Honestly, I mean, that's a pretty far way for QQQ to drop. Honestly, I would be more interested above yesterday's high on QQQ. 279.43. So, we'll come back to that. Trade Uncle's levels based off of that. And then Amazon. Really liking that 1 hour squeeze, 1 hour trend line. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Pretty much came right up to that monthly pivot yesterday. I know if you guys don't stick around, you guys won't get the watch list. Your loss. 125.81. Boom. And then let's see, 127.75. Hour squeeze, 4 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze. 119.75 is what I'm looking for. Amazon. If the market can get some strength, I will be very interested for a break above 119.75 for calls. Price target equal 120.52. Make sure no SMAs are blocking the way. The 55 EMA at 121.02. 1.02. 200 SMA is at 122. Or no, like 121.80. 121.8. And then 122.75. Boom. There's Amazon. Now we got some people coming back. 175 people. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys are smashing it. 150 likes and you guys get the watch list. Anyways, there's Amazon. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. We'll talk about the swing trades here once I'm done, though. There's two of them that I really, really like. So we'll get to it. Let's see. Netflix. I'm just going to set an alert. If it comes up. Spy QQQ. Google. Could also look for a bounce at like 102. They report today. Parsons pivot say it's got room. Last week's high 103.50, 104.55. Let's see. 55 EMAs at 104.5 as well. Got a nice little gap it can fill. Cool. Let's look for that 102 bounce or a break above 103.03. We got some nice room on Google. Nice 1 hour squeeze and 30-minute squeeze trading above the moving averages. Higher probability that it will fire up. Google. Looking for a break above 103.03 for calls. Also, if you guys are in Team Bull, make sure to go run up them reactions in the channel. Looking for a break above 103.03 for calls. Price target equal. There we go. Price target equal 134, or oh my god, 103.47, 104.55. That was it. And then possible bounce around 102. All right, there's Google. And then do we want Tesla or do we want Nvidia? I mean, it does look nice. It keeps bouncing off that trend line. I personally think Tesla looks super weak. The only issue is we bounced off that 200 yesterday. But look, as far as the moving averages, it looks bearish. Super bearish. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Of course, and again, if you guys want to learn more about my overall strategy in a 450-page book, which is an A through Z guide on my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, make sure to check out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis. There's a link right there. I think the interview went really good. They pitch it today to the publishing team. So I'll have an answer either today or tomorrow if I got it. Let me tell you, if I get it, that's legendary. My book is literally going to be published with like some of the most amazing trading books. I would say Tesla 208 break. I really like that. It's not the chart I wanted. Hold on. Where'd it go? There it is. Yeah, that 208 is pretty strong level. All right. Tesla it is. If market starts to cool, Tesla looks super weak, I will watch for puts below 208. Yeah, what I need you guys to do to get a New York Times bestseller, that'd be crazy. But if you got the book, I need you guys to leave a review on Amazon. It helps so much. It could be like 2-3 sentences. That's it. Just leave a review. I greatly appreciate it. Tesla, I guess we'll put video on. It's starting to pull. Let's reevaluate this trend line right here. Yeah, so maybe if Nvidia came back down towards like 122.50, it's got a way to go. Not really interested in it as of now. Are we at 150 likes yet? How many we got? We got 170. We're doing good. Anyways, so that's going to be everything I'm going to be watching today. I will drop the watch list here in a few minutes. But as far as swing trades, what I'm watching, there's two of them. First one is DKS, Dick's Sporting Goods. So what I'm liking about this, we have this daily squeeze right here. We have a 3-day squeeze, as you guys can also see. What I want to see in order to get into this trade is I want it to come back to that daily 21 and 34 EMA. I will only enter my position if it gets down here because the risk to reward right here makes no sense. If we were to get into this swing trade right now, our stop loss is all the way down here. It makes 0 sense to enter a trade like this. So if we get that pullback to the daily 21, now our stop loss is here. So waiting for that pullback. Daily looks super bullish. Nice little squeeze on balance volume coming up. 3-day looks super bullish. Again, if we can pull back towards that daily 21, the 3-day 21 and 34 pretty much are in the same area. The 3 days looking super bullish. So definitely going to be keeping an eye on this. I'm liking a possible debit spread to take it out towards November. If we can get that pullback, probably look at like the 110 and 115s for the debit spread, or maybe just buy the 115s depending on how pricey they are. And then the other one I'm watching is going to be XPOF. So Exponential Fitness. I have no idea what this company is. Anyways, there's a lot of liquidity in the $20 calls expiring in December. So looking at XPOF, again, we have a 3-day squeeze and we have a daily squeeze. As you can see, leading up into yesterday, we've kind of just been holding that daily 21 and 34 EMA. I will only enter this swing if we can get a pullback towards this level right here. Remember that daily 21 and 34, just a 21 and 34 in general, piece it together with the squeeze. That's an amazing swing trade setup. So only entering if we can get down here. Again, where is our stop loss? Right there. It makes no sense to enter all the way up here because now our stop loss is triple what it is. No, we do not want this adult dating website. Get out of here. Maybe some of you guys want it. I don't. But yeah, XPOF, I really like this. Watching the $20 calls. And like I said with Dick's Sporting Goods, going to be watching a debit spread. Let's see. Contracts are just too pricey for me to swing. I don't like swinging contracts that are like $600 a piece. I'd rather do a spread, limit the amount of risk I have, and I can buy more. And there's 69 back. I love it. Anyways. So let me drop the watch list for you guys. Again, if you guys want to check out my new trading book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis, make sure to check it out right there. There's a link. And then, other than that, how many likes we got? Also, make sure you guys are clicking that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 800 videos teaching you guys on how to trade. So if you're not taking advantage of all the free education on this channel, don't know what to tell you. Anyways, let's do this. SPY. Again, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. So, I am not responsible for any lost funds. SPY, very interested in a possible bounce. Amazon, looking very strong if the market can gain some momentum. Google, same thing, looking very strong if it can gain some momentum. And then Tesla, if the market stays weak, I will rotate over to Tesla. Boom, Tesla. So, let's see. SPY, QQQ. You have to move some stuff around. Amazon, Tesla. What was the other one? Oh, Google. Google. Yes, sir. Who's ready to make money today? Jamaica was amazing. Amazing, amazing. Let's see, SPY, 5 minutes. But yeah, if the market just tanks, we'll just rotate over to puts. That's the great thing. Oh my God. See, I cannot talk. Taking a week off of doing this has messed me up completely. What was I saying? But yeah, if the market tanks, I'll just look for puts. That's the great thing about trading. We can trade both ways, make money both ways. If you guys do want to trade live with me, I trade live in Team Bull every single morning. I hop on voice around like 9:10. So if you guys want to join the Discord, feel free to do so. Other than that, make sure you guys are subscribed. Again, I go live every morning, give you guys a watch list for free. Make sure you guys tune in. And yeah, everybody have an amazing day. If you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out. Let's run it up today. Adios.